purpose of this video is going to be to show how to measure the inside frame to get the dimensions for your RSO. We've already measured the outside of the window. We know what the brick mold tip-to-tip measurement is. So we're going to do a quick measurement on the inside to make sure that frame will fit into this RSO with the offset for 1.5" brick mold. So you're going to measure from inside of the trim to inside of the trim, and then add 1.5 inches onto that, because most of these pieces of trim are 3/4 of an inch. Now if you're not sure and you're not comfortable, you may have to remove this piece of trim to get your RSO. But typically I take this measurement, which is 56 1/4, and add 1.5 inches to that, and that will be the minimal you would have for a frame rough opening. Do the same for your height, and again that's 63 1/4, so we would add the 1.5 inches to that. We're just going to check it in a few places to make sure there's no difference in those measurements, and they are all right at 63 1/4. I've already done the figuring for this, and we know that there's 1.5 inches added onto this, gives you your 57 3/4 inch opening, is the smallest it would be. Your difference between your brick mold and your frame size is 2 5/8 inches. So that means that frame would be at 57 3/8 inches. So we know it's smaller than the rough opening. It will fit in there.